Mastering credit inquiries, what every homebuyer should know. For those eager to step into the world of homeownership, a significant part of the journey is securing a mortgage. While having a stable income and savings for a down payment are crucial, don't overlook the importance of your credit score. It can significantly affect your mortgage terms and overall home buying experience. So, what should aspiring homebuyers understand about credit inquiries to ensure they get the best financing? 1. Hard vs. Soft inquiries. Credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion play a pivotal role in maintaining your credit history. They track credit inquiries, which can be classified as either hard or soft. The difference is essential to grasp. Soft inquiries. These are inquiries that don't require your consent and do not impact your credit score. For instance, checking your own credit score is considered a soft inquiry. Hard inquiries. These inquiries occur when you apply for a new credit card or a loan.